Have you ever searched on Google or YouTube how to make money in 2021 or best side hustles and gotten super confused at the results, not knowing where to start or which path to take? I know I have. Hi YouTube. Welcome to a new video series that I'm doing that will assist even the freshest of beginners at taking their first steps towards financial freedom. Two words that seem to elude many of us, myself included. I am your friendly affiliate Brent, and in today's episode I will be showing you exactly how you can make money as an affiliate with ClickBank and also with free traffic and a free website. Which means you don't need to own your own products, you don't need to build your own brand, although it is recommended, and you also don't need to handle any shipping or customer returns. Your main goal is simply to send traffic to an offer that another entrepreneur created. And every time someone purchases through your promotion, you get a cut of that sale. But first, if you're new here and your goal is to make as much money as possible online, hit that subscribe button because regularly on this channel, I upload content that can help you start an online business from scratch. So you might be thinking, I don't have an email list or a website or an Instagram account or even my own products. The methods on this channel are designed to help you just to get started. And if you have a question, make sure you leave a comment below. I like to look at every single one of those comments within 24 hours, and I use those questions as fuel for upcoming videos. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and get into that. Now, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of free websites and free traffic to grow your affiliate marketing business. But the first step is to have an offer to sell. So to do this, we're going to utilize a website called ClickBank. Once you've connected, you're going to create an account. And then you're going to click on the marketplace icon on the left and you'll see this entire list of offers you can promote as an affiliate. You can find the most popular offers by clicking on the search icon without actually typing anything in the search bar, and you'll see the most popular offers directly in the search results. And here you'll see all the most popular offers. Now, there are a lot of people who are willing to teach you how to just use and find the best performing offers with the highest gravity. Now, gravity is a counter ClickBank uses to tell how many different affiliates made money from this offer in the past few weeks. But there's a secret. None of this really matters. What matters is finding a product that works within your niche and that looks good and has a solid sales page. Honestly, my encouragement for you is to find a product that you yourself would buy. Have a look at their sales page. Maybe even buy the product yourself to get a really good feel on how to promote it. Take a look at all the niches and categories over here on the left hand side, and just about every type of opportunity is listed here. For example, we will search keto, which is a very popular diet right now. It has an average conversion of 54.38. However, as a side note, this offer may not exist or may not be the same when you view it. And that's because ClickBank is constantly changing and updating their products. One helpful rule of thumb is to search for keywords that are trending on social media. There are all kinds of offers that we could promote that people actively are looking for online. Okay, so now that we found a product, we need to click on the promote button and it'll bring up this pop-up. So now you can enter in a nickname and click on the generate hop links and it'll show you the link that you'll save for later. This will be your personalized affiliate link. Now we're halfway there. Now that you have a product sales page and an entire delivery system all handed through the creator of the product, your job is to generate traffic to that link. Now, as you're likely in the first stages of starting your online business, you may not have enough money to invest in paid traffic, you might not have a budget, or you might have a small one. Only you know. You can start advertising on Facebook or Instagram or other platforms that have paid ads. And then you can focus on the free methods to generate traffic in parallel with your paid traffic. But that's where phase 2 now is going to come into play. And that's where we're going to be talking about how to get this free traffic. We're going to use a really sneaky software that you don't even have to buy. It's totally free to use and it'll help you get on top of the search engines. And that site is called sites.google.com. Everyone has heard of Google Docs, Google Sheets, and maybe Google Forms, but not a lot of people you can think of that can build a completely free website through Google. I'll repeat, that platform again is sites.google.com. You can do forward, new, and when you hop onto this platform, you'll see that there's already pre-made templates ready for you to use and customize as your own. And the beauty of this strategy is because the websites are built by Google, they're pretty much incentivized to put them at the top of the list if the content quality is strong. So now that you've picked a product, you know how to build a free website, let's talk about how to optimize this website to get it on top of the Google search. And to do this, you'll need some help from the product creator. I've pulled up an affiliate resource page from the offer that we found earlier, the custom keto diet. On this resource page, they provided articles, emails, social media images, and more. This is a great example of a good company to partner with because they give you everything you need to start promoting and sharing their products. But what I really want to look at is the tab called Articles. These are written by the course creators themselves, so they're optimized for what people are most likely to search for and what generates the most sales. And the best part is that it's 100% free to use. In fact, they want you to use them because they believe they're going to convert. And you can see from these articles right here, they're already giving you the headline to use at the top of the website and the content to put below it. Not only that, but you can also check out some of the social media graphics and resources that you can fill up the website with a ton of content. So we have an offer, a free website builder, and content. Now let's talk about getting the site built. I recommend using the photo portfolio template. Simply go in and change the images on the pictures. Make the fitness routines looking good looking food, healthy people. You can even use a website like Pexels, Pexels.com, and search for content. The more content your site has, the more likely it'll rank on Google. Here's an example site you can model yours after. But I want to show you how this is to be used, because if you literally don't have a single cent to put towards online traffic and business, then you can still make this work. You can still find ways to make money online without paying a penny or creating a course for advertising. Now, is this method going to make you a millionaire overnight? Probably not. And in fact, I can't promise that your website will rank overnight either. The free methods here do take time. They take time for researching products. They take time to build a funnel out. They take time to get ranked. And while every single method requires work, there are ways that can shorten the span of time that it takes to make that first sale online. And that's why if you're a complete beginner, I recommend you partner with someone who has built a successful business before. To date, the best thing I've done is to join Anthony Morrison's Partner with Anthony program, or the PWA course. In this course, he walks you through step-by-step sales funnels, email follow-up series, and also provides free funnels that you can use to get started, even providing you with high-quality ticket products that you can also offer. The best part is that it's only $7 a month. That's like 2 cups of coffee or a Hulu subscription. Except this course teaches you to make money online and to build a successful business. So if you want some more information about the PWA program, click on the link in the description below. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in the card above or also the end screen. I'd also like to know if you're already using ClickBank, and if so, what strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Hit me up in the comments below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.